There's a number that decides more of your revenue than your pricing or your reputation, and it's 60 seconds, and almost nobody in HVAC is hitting it. Harvard Business Review studied 15,000 leads. If you contact a lead within 60 seconds, you're 8 times more likely to close. Wait 5 minutes, that number drops by 80%. Here's what's really happening. A homeowner's AC breaks, they Google AC repair near me and find 3 companies. They fill out your form and then they fill out 2 others. Whoever calls first wins. Not the cheapest, the fastest. Your office manager is at lunch, you're on a roof, nobody calls for 47 minutes. The competitor with an AI caller called in 8 seconds, and it booked the job. That's a $7,000 job you lost because of a phone call that never happened.